the returning officer for Agago Electoral District, having added up the number of votes cast as recorded on each declaration of results form in accordance with Section 58(1) of the Presidential Elections Act, announce and transmit for declaration the total number of valid votes cast for candidates as follows. 1. Bulira Frank Kabinga, RPP, political party, scored 505 votes. Then Kasibante Robert, LPP, scored 257 votes. Then Chagulanyi Sentamu Robert scored 4,979 votes. Mabilizi Joseph, CP, scored 248 votes. Mugisha Muntu Oyera scored 139 votes. Monyangwa Mubarak scored 145 votes. And Dala Mapabi James Nathan scored 1,206 votes. Yoweri Kaguta Museveni of NRM scored 58,973 votes. Total number of valid votes cast for candidates was 67,065. Total number of rejected ballot papers were 1,257. And total number of ballot papers counted was 68,322. Total number of spoiled ballot papers are 122. So as returning officer, I sign on this day and time at the office of the Electoral Commission. I then have the official agent come and see this. So members, I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for your patience.